Where's your final order in this case, Ms. Simone?
Pardon?
This is in the 128th District Court of Orange County, Texas, and it's in the interest of Sutton Eladio Martinez. Mr. Juan Martinez, please raise your right hand. Juan Martinez, do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You can put your hand down. Ms. Simone, do you have any other witnesses besides Mr. Martinez?
No, sir.
So this is a modification suit. My understanding is that there was an original case, another order under the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act, in which Mr. Martinez was ordered to pay a different person child support for the support of Sutton. Is that correct, Ms. Simone?
Yes, sir.
So what is the purpose of this modification suit that the state has filed today?
I believe that there was a subsequent order done in Ohio that gave custody of the child back to the biological mother. And they are asking to set current support and medical support today.
Mr. Martinez, were you aware of the fact that Sutton had changed custody from one person to another?
No, sir.
1 second, child. Where's your final order in this case, Ms. Simone?
Pardon?
Well, you're registering a temporary order from 2019. Actually, it's not even a temporary order, it's an emergency order. It's only effective for 21 days.
Oh.
According to the lawsuit filed by the AG's office, there was an emergency order signed by a judge in August of, or I can't even see the date because there's August of 14th of 2019. Okay, so let's look at that first because I got some other problems if that's the case. Okay, no, you're all right. So is there some type of final order that the state has in regards to this case?
This is the only order that we have.
I don't, well, all right, so this is an emergency order, Ms. Simone.
Okay.
The way I read this order, and I might be reading it completely incorrect, but it would appear that this order, Child Protective Services in the other state is still involved in the case according to this court order. I can't tell. I mean, it appears that possession of the child was returned to Miss Glass, but I can't tell from the court order that's here whether or not the child is still under the supervision of the other state. Do you see my issue?
Yes, sir. If the court would allow us to reset the case, we could investigate and see if there's an additional order.
So, Mr. Martinez, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Martinez, there should be some other order after this one from the state of Ohio, either allowing the state to get out of Sutton's life altogether or awarding permanent conservatorship back to the mother or some type of permanent order, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give the state of Texas an opportunity to investigate that and see if this is the only order that they have, then we'll move forward at that point in time. But I really do believe there's probably another order after besides this one, okay?
So what, I have trouble understanding, reading and writing English. What, could you break it down to what you're telling me?
They're trying to get me to set child support against you on behalf of Miss Glass for the support of Sutton.
Okay.
I need a court order from the other state that tells me that Miss Glass has this child.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So the order that they've given me is an emergency order. It's a temporary order from 2019. That's 4 years ago. I don't know that it's still in effect.
Okay.
I need to know that the child is still with the mother. I need to know that the mother is not under any kind of state orders in the state of Ohio for this child.
Okay.
All right.
I need could I give you my update my mailing address?
Not yet. But
okay.
you can give it to the AG's office once I stop recording this to the internet, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Anything further on this case, Ms. Simone?
No, sir.
All right.